Hello, this is Blizzard Star, and welcome back to Darkest... Hi. Hello, this is Blizzard Star, and welcome back to Darkest Dungeon. Last time, we went into, the cove, fought a bit, fish people, explored around a bit. Then we went into the Warrens and destroyed their relics. We got some very strong people. Yay. I think this time, once everybody heals up, we'll go take on the Shrieker. Let's see what's going on in the stagecoach. Ooh. Wait, I already have Leapers. I don't have a man-at-arms.
The raw strength of youth may be spent, but his eyes hold the secrets of 100 campaigns.
So let's get you your stuff, shall we? Oh. And Sly Patch, sure. Alright. So our level 1. Sure. Since you're brand new to this, you can come with. Atlas. Montague. Actually, Fishtrend. And Pot. Go. Should be short, so it should be easy.
The smell of rotting fish is almost unbearable.
Oh wow, it really is short. Okay. And box right at the gate. Items.
Packs laden with loot are often low on supplies.
Alright, who's our best trap sons? Wow, guys. 1 in 2 chance. Okay. Water looms.
A handsome reward, Junebrook.
Oh, okay. One more? Ah.
Wealth beyond
Yay.
measure. Awarded to the brave and the foolhardy alike.
Ooh, torch. Take the
If
torch.
only treasure could staunch the flow of otherworldly corruption.
Alright, we got a battle. Surprised. That's fair. Good dodge. Also good dodge. Alright. Okay. Crushing blow. Move up, please. Thank you. Ow. Not cool, dude. Alright, crush. Come on. Well, thank you for resisting that. Mark it. Thank you. Sniper shot. Ouch. Alright, let's patch you up. You. I don't like healers when they're not on our side. Ouch. You bled him again. Okay, kill the healer.
Fiend falls, a faint hope blossoms.
Alright, patch yourself up again. And heal.
Their formation is broken. Maintain the offensive.
Now both of the fish people are gone. And you stress them out. Good dodge though. Alright, click bounty. And crush.
Confidence surges as the enemy crumbles.
It's only left. Stop. Come closer, little, called woman. There we go.
Ghoulish horrors, brought low and driven into the mud.
Reel it up. Take the torch. Ooh, yes. Touch a thing. Valerian. Good. And we got a whole bunch of fish people. Okay, we can deal with it. Yes, I'd like Bruce to say. And mark him. Okay. Shoot that one. And you them both.
The ground quakes.
Stop spearfishing them. Collect bounty.
Eradicated.
Ooh. You totally destroy them until there's nothing left. You do not. There we go. Crush him. Huge. And finish him. Go ahead.
Be wary.
Sure, let's
Triumphant
continue.
pride precipitates a dizzying fall.
Is that up?
Glittering gold, trinkets and baubles. Paid for in
Try
blood.
one more, this last room. More heirlooms.
A fortune, waiting to be spent.
Heirlooms everywhere. Gonna be another trap. I don't care. Retreat from combat.
The sin is not in being outmatched, but in failing to recognize it.
Oh, we weren't outmatched. I just didn't want to
Despite
fight.
its morbid aspect, this twisted, cavernous maze seems almost traversable.
Alright. That's a lot of heirlooms. Mercier, you got tuckered out. That's not good. And wheeled Scounger. That's cool. You got Beatrun, you got Clumsy and Robust. And Pont, you got Nocturnal and On Guard. Medical breakthrough. The time and gold were not spent in vain. However, as today's caregivers announced, they have succeeded in concocting an effective antidote. So, is there anyone that... Ooh, you like the cloister? Font. Guard. Or sir. Alright. Chaos Mont. Okay. I'll try. This might be extremely foolish. Sanitarium. Burn fellow, you're gonna actually get healed. There we go. We can try. Alright. Caltrops. First and foremost. Okay, never mind. What about darts? Okay, can't be blighted either.
Ringing ears.
Oh,
blurred vision. The end approaches.
Heal yourself, please. Not good. Okay. Nervous stab. Good dodge. Good dodge. Okay. Lunge.
How quickly the tide turns.
Okay. Heal yourself. Please heal yourself. Thank you. Gross. Nervous step. Jeez, that bird. Good dodge. Perfect. I'll take it. Better than him dying. Case in point.
A hand's breadth from becoming unwound.
Alright. Oh, Jesus, this thing's fast. Not good. Not good. That's good. That's better. Okay.
Another life wasted in the pursuit of glory and gold. As victories mount, so too will resistance.
That sucked. Well, we got a lot of stuff back. Point, you got soft. And fast healer. That's Osmond, you got Warren's Foe. And Corvid's Resilience. Oh, okay. That's your point. Osmond, how you? Sure, yeah. There we go. Wow. Never mind. There's points. Lost what? Refill? Sure. I think we have time to do one more. Let's see what the stagecoach has to offer. Another cultist, which we're fine. Another bounty hunter. I think we're all okay. I wonder if the stagecoach has a level 1 bestial. Zero? Yeah, what's...
A sister of battle, pious and unrelenting.
Alright. Using Charles. There we go.
Pace out the halls of your lineage once familiar, now foreign.
Alright, we'll go north and come back down. Go west, come back, and then we'll do that.
Mechanical hazards, possessed by evil intent.
Alright, who's our best trap sense? You all suck at this. Alright, take your chances. Good job. I got a bone pile.
Even the cold stone seems bent on preventing passage.
And I'm sorry, that was my bad. Alright, into the room battle we go. Skilly boys. Okay. So, heal our man-at-arms. Thank you. Sniper shot you.
Executed with impunity.
Wow, good hit. Alright.
Begone, fiend.
Stop throwing stuff at us. Alright. Heal him, thank you. That was just rude.
Continue the onslaught. Destroy them all.
Light. And go back south. And another torch.
If only treasure could staunch the flow of otherworldly corruption.
Okay, that shouldn't be too hard. Ooh, chest. Or... Wow, that sucked.
As the fiend falls, a faint hope blossoms.
Alright, we'll light it up and head on in. Okay, that shouldn't be too hard, hopefully. Alright. Dazzle you. Sniper shot you. A little bit tougher, because they've got armor. Alright, we can deal with that.
Their formation is broken. Maintain the offensive.
Good dodge. That was rude. Wow. Good healing yourself, thank you. Really? Enough. Alright, everyone come closer. Hit him in the face. Heal yourself, please. Thank you. I'm getting real sick of that
Press this
attack.
advantage. Give them no quarter.
Come closer. Ah, crush him. Good job, everyone.
Success so clearly in view.
And peace.
Or is it merely a trick of the light?
Ooh. Let's go this way. More looms. And books. Well, at least it's nothing bad. Nothing there.
What? His efficacy unwitnessed by his own eyes.
All bad that. Right on. We don't even have to fight that battle room if we don't want to. Well, since we're at the crossroads, I think it's a good time to set up camp.
Huddled together, furtive and vulnerable. Rats in a maze.
There we go. And heal him. Heal her. And stress him. Everybody rest.
And now, the darkness holds dominion.
Really?
Black as death.
That's the light. Alright. Crush. This is not good. Okay. Everyone, bounce around a bit.
Another abomination, cleansed from our lands.
Okay, sniper shot. Ow. Enough. Heal yourself, please. Crush.
Back to the pit.
Sniper shot.
Well struck. Foolish horrors. Brought low and driven into the mud.
That was cheap. Oh, gold. Sure.
Remind yourself that overconfidence is a slow and insidious killer.
Yeah, let's go back to the hamlet.
great ruins belong to us, and we will find whatever secrets they hold.
Alright. Good job, everyone. Bertrand, you got Nocturnal. That's not great. Mercer, you got Tough. Right on. Rani, you got Deadly. Good job, guys. Alright, guys. Good job. Okay. Really? Alright, go Bertrand. What? You don't want anything. Okay. Well, we didn't do too badly. What's new with the stagecoach? Nothing much. Can we level anything up? Yes, we can. Can we do anything in the bar, actually? Ooh, yes we can. Cool. Alright, well, with 3 successful missions done, be it the short ones, I think it's a good time to call it, so give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying the series still. Until then, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.